Hello friends, this is our industrial and commercial energy storage system. And the battery capacity is 106 kilowatt hours. And this is air cooling system. And this is BMU and the BMS system to control the battery discharge and charge, over temperature protection and over discharge protection. Okay, and the PCS is on the back of the cabinet. And the PCS is 50 kilowatt. Okay, this is one of my customer customized and will ship out quickly. Welcome to inquiry us. Welcome to our factory. We can discuss the product. Thank you very much. Okay.